Hey, what's up, YouTube? So, for the last couple months, I've been posting updates about the car wash being built right down the road from my work, and it is now open. Today is day number 1 of the brand new Hoffman car wash on Front Street here in Binghamton. If the video is a little shaky, I apologize. It's in my car's window holder for lack of a better place to put it. This video is being shot at 4K in 60 frames per second on the iPhone XS Max. So let me know how you like the footage. And this is exciting. First trip through a brand new car wash. Literally just opened. You were in Vestal the other day. What's up?
What's up?
Not much.
How you doing?
Good. First trip through the car wash.
So we're doing these promotions right now. So they're doing for $10.79. Comes out to total is 2 months of the unlimited wash for the works.
Oh, all right. So $9.99 plus tax.
Yeah, so it comes out to $10.79 and you're an unlimited member. So just give this receipt to the gentleman up there and then he'll put the pass on your card.
All right. Thanks, man.
Yep, have a nice night.
Good luck with that strip reader.
Yeah, thank you.
You want it? No pressure.
There you are. You want to pull right in here. You might have to. Thanks. Thanks. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, it smells new in here.
Very shiny and bright.
Alright guys, well, that was the first trip through the brand new Hoffman car wash on Front Street in Binghamton. There's going to be a link in the description below to the videos of it being built. And yeah, that's it.